Alright, y'all. We finna build us some taco salad. Throw some ground beef on in there. And scramble it up. I like turning my heat on high when I'm cooking, so it'll hurry up and cook. You gotta be careful to not burn your stuff though, if you're gonna do that. We just gonna let that cook on up, brown the ground beef. We're gonna go on strain this ground beef. We still got a little pink in there, but we done cooked most of the grease out of it. I'm straining it off camera because I'm gonna do something extra with this grease over here. But I'm still here with y'all, scraping on the pan. We're gonna put this back in here and let it finish cooking. And we're gonna season it up about like some taco meat. If you got a packet of taco seasoning, you can put that in there. That's some salt, a little cumin, what else we got in here? Ooh, that cumin stinks. Y'all know I don't like that cumin smell. A little bit of paprika. Maybe it'll kill off some of that cumin smell. A little bit of garlic powder. Maybe it'll kill off the rest of that cumin smell. And there's one other thing we need. Onion powder. I think my wife wanted a little chili powder in here. So we're gonna put a little chili powder in here. Give it a stir. Let all them flavors absorb all that grease, and all them grease absorb all them flavors. Like I said, you can just use taco seasoning mix if you got it, you know, the little packet. And you put that off in there and it'll save you from having to use 5 different, 6 different seasonings. Every which way you want to do it. It's up to you. We're going to keep letting that cook down. And we're going to add some olive meat to it. This is just some green olives chopped up, minced up. That's just, we had green olives here already open. We got black olives too. The recipe calls for black olives, but I didn't feel like opening a fresh thing of black olives just to get a few olives out of it. So we just used some of the green olives we had. And they'll be just fine in it. We'll stir it around, give it a good mix, get them kind of evenly distributed. And get the seasonings evenly distributed. All that meat ought to be about done now. We're gonna dump a can of corn off in here that's been strained. You can get that shoe peg corn if you want to, but we're trying to do cheap recipes around here, so we just use regular corn. Make sure you ain't got a bunch of big chunks off in there. Stir your corn in. And just let them seasons blend in there. We're gonna turn it down to a simmer. We'll be back with y'all in a minute. Gonna leave y'all hanging, huh? We'll get some nacho cheese chips. Somebody else's cheese chips. Nachos. We don't usually mix it all up just in case it doesn't get ate all at one time. And that way it don't get soggy, because you want your chips to be crunchy. You know what I mean? I have to show y'all what I meant. Y'all don't be judging my arm now. My wife been beating on me. Put your little lettuce in there. Put your little more lettuce in there, because she's standing over your shoulder judging you, because you don't want to put a lot of lettuce in there. Put your little meat corn medley thing you got going on over here in there. Put you some shredded cheese on it. You got shredded cheese? Ain't got no shredded cheese. We ain't put no shredded cheese on there. Never. If it was me doing this, I'd put some shredded cheese on there. I don't know who's doing this. Apparently it ain't me. And this right here is gonna be the key ingredient. This little white paper right here. Take it off and lick it. And then drizzle your dressing on there. And that is how you make the taco salad. She said you gotta mix it up.
Somebody's got to tell him how to make all these recipes he's been cooking.
Oh, she speaks on camera. I'm gonna spill this everywhere. Trying to mix it up. Y'all see how to mix it up? I can't make no mess, y'all. She won't let me upload this video. I'll make a mess. If I spill this soup, she gonna be mad. I have bruise on another arm. Mix it slowly. Then turn it around and mix the other side. You want to try to get the chips on top and the meat on bottom, even though you started out with the chips on bottom. That's what mixing is. Ooh, I about messed up the whole video dropping a chip. Y'all seen that?